Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to lock Instagram profile, and now let's dive right in. Now to lock Instagram profile, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on your profile picture icon and you'll be on this interface, and at the top right corner of the screen guys, you can see your three-lined icons over there. Tap on the three-lined icon, and from over here guys, we'll be required to scroll down until we can find account privacy. You can tap on the account privacy and you can see the private account option available for us, and at the right side of that there is a toggle icon. Now in order to lock your Instagram profile, tap on the toggle icon just beside the private account. Tap on the toggle icon beside the private account and it will be turned on, and you will have locked your Instagram profile. And guys, this is how to lock Instagram profile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.